Today, we will tour 5710 North 107th Lane in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-story home, located in a desirable West Valley community near Camelback Ranch in Phoenix. As you enter, you'll notice the tile flooring throughout all common areas, creating a clean and modern feel while offering easy maintenance. This spacious home offers an inviting layout designed for both everyday living and entertaining. The thoughtfully designed floor plan creates a seamless flow between the main living spaces, making the home feel open, bright, and welcoming. The kitchen is perfectly suited for both convenience and entertaining, featuring stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, ample cabinet space, and an open layout that overlooks the living and dining areas. Outside, the home continues to impress with low-maintenance desert landscaping in the front yard and a spacious backyard with grass, offering plenty of room to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy Arizona evenings outdoors. The backyard creates a comfortable outdoor setting for gatherings, recreation, or peaceful downtime at home. The location provides excellent access to some of the West Valley's most popular attractions and entertainment destinations. Conveniently located near the Loop 101 and I-10 freeways, commuting throughout the valley is quick and accessible. For added convenience, a washer and dryer are included, making daily living even easier. With a spacious layout, modern features, comfortable indoor and outdoor living spaces, and an outstanding Phoenix location, this home offers an exceptional rental opportunity that combines comfort, convenience, and lifestyle all in one beautiful property. Plush carpet in the bedrooms adds warmth, while ceiling fans installed throughout the home provide added comfort during every season. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Schedule your showing today and experience everything this beautiful Phoenix home has to offer.